Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Back again for another review. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the TackLife lawn and garden lawnmower. This is 13 amp power with a 16-inch blade. This thing has a level switch for easy overhand control, safety switch. It is corded, so you will have to use a cord. It's power corded. 4 cam levers, 50L grass box, 8-inch rear, rubber cover upper hand. It's convenient, the central height adjustment system. It can fit any size person from short to tall. And also, it's very lightweight, so you can fold it up, easy storage. So let's get into it and unbox this thing. Alright, open this baby up. See what we got. We got a whole bunch of cardboard in here. Of course, we got the handles. These are the handles right here, the brackets that go to it. Let's take that out first. Sit that on the side. Of course, we got the instruction manual here. Comes with a 12-month warranty. I'm gonna actually, you know, we usually don't read the instructions, but I'm gonna actually read the instructions on this. There it is, model KALM 1540A. Yep, I'll read through that. Next up, we have the handle. This is the actual handle to the lawnmower here. Let me rotate this so y'all can see a little better. As you can see, it has a cord here. It is corded, so this is where you're going to plug up your cord to. It's got a little stopper. Oh yeah, there it is. There's a little stopper there. Put that on there. Put that on the side. Here's the actual grass bag. So we take this out. Bingo. You'll see the actual grass bag here, you guys. TackLife. Nice grass bag. 10 pounds right here, I think it is, if I'm not mistaken. I'll double check that. But there's your grass bag. And also in here, I'm gonna get myself the room. Here's the actual mower. As you can see, this bad boy is lightweight. I'm picking it up. Not too heavy at all. Oh, actually it has a handle. I'm lifting this up with one hand, you guys. One hand. As you can see, very lightweight. If you look right here, you got different levels so you can adjust the height of it from 1 to 5. Handles go back like so, lock in place. Plastic construction. And in the back, let me show you in the back, this is where the grass bag goes. Grass bag goes right there. Pop it out. You can leave it out for mulch, or you can just put the bag in if you want to recycle your clippings and spread them around. Keep hands and feet away. Danger. So let me show you guys how we put the handle on this bad boy. You bring this back, and you're going to need, as you can see, you got little slots, so it would go right here, but you're going to need your little handles to put them in there so you can lock them in at any height, and then that way you can fold it up. So let's get the handles real quick. So as you see, we got the main handle, and then we got the two side handles right here. And we're gonna clip these in real nice. So let me double check and make sure that I am doing this right. You unscrew this. And what you'll see is that one side of this has a little groove. So that's gonna go on the outside right there. So it'll go right in there like that. So let's get this baby together. And the way the handle goes is basically you adjust it to whatever height you want. I'm going to start it at the lowest height since I'm a little short. So we're going to start it right there. So let's pick this up. The little button for the push stop is on the right side. So let me make sure I got the cords in order. That goes through there as like so. What we're going to do, we're going to line this up so that matches that even and flush, and then we're going to put this baby on like so. Easy peasy, baby, easy peasy. Get your butt in there. There we go. Now let's get the other one so we can do the other side real quick. Oh, where did I put it? Put it on this side. I guess these are the, yeah, these right here are for the cords. Let's take this one off, same way. Got some extra screws here. Read and figure out what those extra screws are for. Y'all know how we do it. Let me take this off. I'm gonna bring this up. Bring that through. Like so. Make sure that's flush. And then we're gonna put that on like so. Easy peasy. Tighten that up. Make sure this baby ain't going nowhere. And that's how you put the handle on, just like that. And now, show you guys how to put the bag on this baby. Alright you guys, I found out something real quick. When you put these sidebars on to hold the arm up, what you want to do, I had to do it. So what you want to do here is you want to actually, I don't know why they like that, but you actually want to tighten that up first. Close that in and then tighten it like so. Then once you tighten that up, you can just pop that out to get it loose. Then you pop the next one, get it loose, and now you can just take it, bam. Alright you guys, when you put these handles on, make sure that they go on pretty much like that. And what you want to do is, you want to lock these. You want to lock them toward the inside is the lock position. Here's the lock position. So lock them first. Then after you lock them, then you tighten them down. Then you tighten them down like so. So once you lock them, you tighten them down. And now, once you tighten that down, you'll be able to just pop this off like so. pop that off, and then you pop that off, and now you'll be able to fold this down. Loosen it up just a little bit, then you'll be able to fold it down. I think I got them too tight though, you guys. There we go. And then you'll be able to fold it down like so, just like that. Next thing I want to show you guys is the bag. Here's the TackLife bag. Comes with a little orange little clip. Basically, this goes back here, and then that just clips down into here. Let me wait a minute, you guys. I gotta put the camera down so I can kind of get you guys on the angle here. Then on the bag, you just get some power, push that in, and there's the bag right there. So you guys, the bag right there with the little handle on it. Next, let's put this bag on here. Show you how this works. Alright, you guys, here's the bag right here. Got that on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up. Let's see, can I get it the first try? I just pop this right on the little loops, and boom, there's the bag right on there, like so. Nice and easy peasy. And then, like I was saying before about the different levels on the mower. This thing is really lightweight, you guys. Really lightweight. I'm gonna give you an angle right down at the ground so you can actually see the different levels on this thing. Watch this. This is level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. I don't know what the hell you're gonna cut with level 5, but then you bring it down like so, and that's how you make good cuts. So the next only thing left now is to put this baby on the road. And here's the completed lawnmower all put together. TackLife, you guys see it. 13 amp, 16-inch blade, orange and black. Yes sir, orange is the new black, baby. Also got a little handle here too, pick that up. This thing is really lightweight. We're gonna see how this thing cut. Alright, you guys, I did a little bit just to show. There's the lawnmower. The bag does fill up pretty quickly, so you have to remember that that bag does fill up pretty quickly if you got this type of grass. But just to show you a difference, here, this area right here I haven't done yet, and the area I did I've already done, so you can see the difference in the grass from the cut. I think I had to put this on a 5, between 5 and 4. You have to make sure you got the right level on the grass though. Here's the area I've already cut right here. Here's the area that hasn't been cut yet. So as long as you get the right levels, on it, you got a pretty good cut. So just make sure you adjust your levels properly on it right there, because you know, have to make sure it's at the right height. And you can actually adjust this while it's running, and you can just take it down to different levels if you run into a rough spot. But this is real lightweight. It's pretty good. So I'll let you guys know I'm gonna keep it for a while. But if you want it, as usual, make sure you check the link in the description. It's corded. I've got the 100-foot cord right there. So I've got a 100-foot cord to do my yard. So if you got a small yard, townhouse, a little area, you know, gas prices are going up, this is a good deal for you right here. It's corded, strong, cutting blade, 16-inch. As always, make sure you guys like, subscribe to the video. See you guys on the next one.